Is Bitcoin really going to hit $110,000? Well, Arthur Hayes thinks so, and his reasoning might just blow your mind. Stick around as we dive into this bold prediction and 6 other massive crypto stories that have the market buzzed the previous week. Hey folks, Brittany here from CoinSonic. If you're new around here, welcome. We're all about breaking down the latest in cryptocurrency and blockchain in a way that's easy to digest and, dare I say, pretty fun. Today we've got the top 7 crypto news stories of the previous week. Trust me, you won't want to miss a second of this. Before we jump in, a quick heads up. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing here is investment advice. Always do your own research before making any moves in the crypto space. Safety first, right? If you're enjoying the ride so far, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ping that bell for notifications. We're here every week cutting through the noise to bring you the most valuable crypto updates. All right, let's dive into the action. Let's kick things off with a big one. Arthur Hayes, the co-founder of BitMEX, is predicting Bitcoin could skyrocket to $110,000 before dipping back to $76,500. Bold, right? He's basing this on the Federal Reserve potentially flipping from tightening to easing monetary policy. Here's the gist. When the Fed eases, it's like they're turning on the money printer, which can spark inflation. And Bitcoin? It's often seen as a lifeboat in that storm, a hedge against rising prices. So, if the Fed shifts gears, Hayes thinks more folks will pile into BTC, pushing it up. Now, predictions are like weather forecasts. Sometimes they're spot on, sometimes you're left in the rain. What do you guys think? Is $110K in Bitcoin's future? Drop your take in the comments. Next up, BlackRock, the world's biggest asset manager, just dropped its first Bitcoin exchange-traded product in Europe, the iShares Bitcoin ETP. This comes after raking in over $50 billion with crypto products in the US, and now they're crossing the pond. Picture this. It's like the biggest bank in town suddenly offering gold bars for sale. BlackRock's move makes Bitcoin more accessible to traditional investors in Europe, and it's a massive signal that institutional demand is heating up. Could this be the tipping point for mainstream adoption? If you're curious about ETPs, I've linked a handy explainer in the description. Story number 3 is a game changer. Ripple has finally settled its epic showdown with the SEC. They're paying a $50 million fine, down from a whopping $125 million, and both sides have dropped their appeals. This is like a peace treaty after years of trench warfare. It's a huge moment for regulatory clarity in crypto, giving other projects a clearer playbook for dealing with the SEC. The focus can now shift back to building rather than battling. So, will this unlock a wave of innovation, or is it just the calm before more regulatory storms? Let me know your thoughts below. Number 4, Strategy BTC, you might still call them MicroStrategy, has gone on another Bitcoin shopping spree, snagging 6,911 BTC for $584 million. That's an average of $84,529 per coin, bringing their total stash to over 506,000 Bitcoins. It's like a retailer stocking up on goods before Black Friday. They're betting big that Bitcoin's value is only going up. This is one of the strongest votes of confidence we've seen from an institutional player. If you've been eyeing Bitcoin, does this make you more bullish? Share your take. Now for a curveball. The Dogecoin Foundation just bought 10 million Doge, worth about $183 million, to create an official Dogecoin reserve. Yep, the meme coin that started as a joke is getting serious. Think of it like a country building up its gold reserves to stabilize its currency. This move aims to boost liquidity and make Dogecoin a legit medium of exchange. Can Doge shed its meme status and become a real player? What's your vibe on Dogecoin's glow up? Hit the comments. Story 6 is a wild one. Justin Sun, the Tron founder, tweeted TRX equals BTC, and the market lost its mind. TRX trading volume spiked, and speculation went through the roof. Let's break it down. Saying TRX equals BTC is like calling a startup the next Google. It's a bold flex, but Tron and Bitcoin are apples and oranges in tech and purpose. Justin's known for stirring the pot. Could this be more hype than substance? Either way, it's proof one tweet can move markets. Do you buy Justin's claim, or is it just noise? Let's hear it. Finally, number 7. Tether, the folks behind USDT, dropped $10 million for a 30% stake in BeWater, an Italian media company. At first, it's like, huh? But dig deeper, and it makes sense. It's like a tech giant buying a movie studio. Tether's diversifying beyond stablecoins into media and content. Maybe they're aiming to shape the narrative or build new revenue streams. Smart move or head scratcher? What's your call on Tether's pivot? All right, you guys, I need your input. Which of these stories do you think will shake up crypto the most? Bitcoin's potential 1 to 10K run, BlackRock's European play, or Ripple's big win? Drop your hot takes in the comments. I'm reading everyone. If this roundup rocked your world, hit that like button, share it with your crypto crew, and subscribe if you haven't already. Oh, and ping that bell so you're first in line for next week's news. So there you have it, the top 7 crypto news stories of the week. From Bitcoin's wild ride to institutional power moves and regulatory breakthroughs, the crypto world is on fire. What's the next big headline you're betting on? Let me know below, and until next time, stay curious and stay informed. Catch you later!